This is the email you receive. You open the email and you get paid like this one. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 websites where you can read email and get paid.
Gotta get paid though, gotta get paid.
If you like this kind of videos, subscribe, like and press the bell icon so you get notified when I release new video every single day, guys. So before I show you the website, all you have to do is you have to install Google Chrome and you need to go to extension section where you have to install this free VPN Chrome extension, guys, into your browser, because this is the VPN is completely free and it will make these 4 websites available for other countries like Africa or Asian country. So you can use it and you can make money from it. All you need is VPN and this following 4 websites and a PayPal account, so you will get paid when you read an email. First website is called paytoreademail.com. I put the link in the description. Go and join up. This is the email straightforward. You put your name, primary email, password and confirm the password and you will register into that free account. What you have to do is sign up, read email and you get paid for that. So you can see you will receive daily emails. Open up the emails, you read and you can make money from it. And you can see quick payment processing within 24 hours. The minimum payout amount is $15, and when you create a free account with them, you can earn $3 bonus into your account. So all you have to do is earn $12 and you can withdraw that money. On top of that, reading email, you can do surveys and you can get paid average between 50 cents to $1. So if you do 12 surveys and it will each cost to give you $1, you can make $12 plus $3 bonus when you sign up and you can make $15 for the first day, guys. And you refer a friend and there's 2 levels and you get paid for that. So all you have to do is create a free account with them and you get paid. So if you click the service section, that you can see $1, 75 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents and 50 cents, and you earn points. It will show you that in the cash balance on here, and paid emails, how many emails that you read every single day, that balance showed on here, and you can refer a balance showed on here, and you get paid when you reach a minimum threshold, which is $15. The second website is called inboxpays.com, that you can see complete paid offers and market research for it for cash, that you can see earn money by successfully completing paid surveys and offers. But if you look closely, there's another section called earn additional income by reading email. So the maximum minimum withdrawal is $25. So you get paid through PayPal. So in a month you get paid 2 times, first and the 15th of each month. All you have to do is sign up, complete offers and you get paid. And remember, this site paid over 2.2 million to its members, so you can join 2 offers every single day, read email every single day, and you get paid free PayPal money from this website. It's called inboxpays.com. Third one is called genicpaid.com, that you can see here free sign up, free offers, and you get paid for each single of them. You can see you don't have to buy any membership on here. It's completely free and they pay real money for signing up free offers, for reading email. This is the important part: completing paid task, paid service, visiting website, online shopping, and addition to that, referring friend. So you can see fast and honest payment. On here you can get paid through Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, which is important, and Bitcoin, guys. Also check if you are living in a foreign country. You can see there's a no minimum payment for Bitcoin and PayPal. So if you have a zero, so for example 10 cents, you can still withdraw it. You can have a $5 if you have a balance, you can still withdraw it. But if you want to get your payment in checks, you need to have a $5 in minimum payment, guys. That you can see here, it's 100% genuine and you get paid immediately from this website if you are using PayPal, guys. Also they have a 3 different level of referral, so each of the referral pay you different. Some of the referral pay you commission from those people making money, some of them pay you in bonuses for signing up those members, guys. Fourth and final website is called cashoffers.com. If you sign up today, you can get $5 sign up bonus on here. And you can see there's a 4 things that you're gonna do: read email and get paid, play online games, get paid, refer your friends, and you can make money online by telling them. Basically you get paid for referring a friend. And the final one is to get paid to take surveys. And you can see you can withdraw that money using PayPal within 72 hours from this account, and you will receive $5 bonus when you create your free account with it. And I believe this is the country, actually this is for United States, but if you use the VPN, it's working for me. So you can use the VPN and register for this account. Again guys, if some of the site is not working in the country, use this VPN for free and you can sign up and you can make money from this website. Again guys, if you have any issue with this video, tell me that in the comment section. Also, if you want me to cover a certain topic, also tell me that in the comment section. Until then, have a good day. See you next video guys.